But the main thing is that they want change. They want.
Yes, they want
change.
And people only talk about Congress and BJP, only the national parties. They are not talking about any other party.
No. Major
Okay,
thing
they only
in Mandrem,
strike at BJP and Congress.
Major thing in Mandrem, mostly everyone was supporting BJP. All were like major, BJP supporter, except for around one or two.
You wanted to say something?
The thing is that the other people doesn't know which other party are there. They only know the BJP and the Congress. So where went over there in Tevim, in Rawara, they asked some people, and the people over there said, most of them said the rising issue, the main problem. But one more people came over with me and he said the rising price is like 1 rupee before was carrying much of weightage, but now 1 rupee is carrying no weightage. So the rising issue will be there if you go BJP comes or Congress comes. Rising price will be there. And when I went
so price rise was an issue there.
Issue was there, but it is it will increase.
My name is Akshay Aseka. First, I would like to thank Prudent Media and faculty members who encouraged us for this survey. The second day of my survey at Sange, there was a place called Vichundri something, and it was 45 kilometers away from the main Sange area. When we reached over there, I found out that the actual conditions over there are very worst. There were no street lights, and it's a jungle area, and people are living like beggars. A lady had a voting card but no house. She was crying in front of me. She said, "What is this Sarkar doing?" Can I say in Konkan?
Yes.
किरे सरकार करता आम्ही आमचे पोट भरता काम करून सरकार आमचे पोट भरना सरकार नाका आमकां. She said like that. Okay. And it was really very sad to know that people stay over there in such a conditions, and there were several other families and houses over there without water facilities, light facilities. There were no. We asked them, do you have TV at home? They asked me, what is TV?
Okay.
Such a bad
So
condition.
this was a shocking thing.
What did they feel about
the elections and about the ministers who should come to power, the MLAs who should come to power, or the ministers who are currently holding any office right now?
According to one person, he said that politics, government is nothing but just like a reality show. It's fixed.
Okay, before we go for a short break, Afreen has something to say.
Hi, my name is Afreen. First day where I went, that is Torshan side, that is in Pedne. Just after reaching there, I found an old man sitting there, and I asked him the questions. After asking first question, that is, how do you feel the government, present government? I got a big lecture on that, and first time I actually enjoyed a lecture because there was
political lecture.
Yeah, that is political lecture, and in that he said so many things which I was not knowing that time.
You know your sir sitting right here, no?
No, don't
So I
worry.
enjoyed
You
the
continue.
Then from the first question only, I came to know the whole answers of the rest questions. But still, I asked him the questions because I wanted to hear something more. Then he said that in their one family there are 20 voters, and they all are supporting BJP. And I was shocking that whenever I was going in each and every house, they were like, we want BJP to come into power, and we want Manohar Parrikar. And they were not expecting any much more things from there. They just wanted employment facility for there, because they were poor people, but they were surviving anyhow, but they needed jobs.
Okay, she asked just one question and she finished
She
off.
got the whole thing, and not just that, politics is actually a reality show. I mean, let's take a pause to, a time rather to think about that while you go in for a short break. When we'll think about it, we'll be right back after a very short break on our pre-poll survey.
Okay, welcome back to the pre-poll survey. Before we start any more further, I want to share a joke. He wasn't wearing a helmet, and when RTO caught him with him, he said, "I'm coming from Prudent Media," and he left him. That's so bad. You should wear helmet on the highways.
And also fasten the clip. It's very important.
Absolutely.
Fastening the clip. Now, there's one girl sitting here next to her professor. She has not said anything so far. Are you scared of your sir? Okay. Then I'll start with you. We'll start the segment with you. Burning issues in Goa, dynasty politics, MOI. Anything that you got in your surveys from the people regarding these burning issues in Goa right now?
My name is Namita. I did my this thing, survey in 3 constitutions. First in Nuem, Santa Cruz, Chimbal. Second in Nuem, and third is Fatota, that is Panchifond. Over there, I had lots of experience. The standard of the way they live over there was not good. In Chimbal, people were living there like all Muslims, and it like a gully over there, and there were lots of garbage problems regarding, and the development was not good. But beside in Nuvem and Pajifon, the standard of living of that people was good, and many of them from Pajifond, they were minority from Goan and majority from outsiders. So the viewpoints also differs. The people who are from outsiders, they were and they are mostly from Maharashtra. So they were telling us that. Can I speak in Punjabi? Yeah. They were telling us that आम्ही गावान रावता सो आमकां कळटा की आमकां कसली कसली गरज आसता ती आनी जी आमी आतां शहरान रावता म्हणून आमकां तितली कळना आमकां कसली कसली फॅसिलिटीज जाय आमच्या खातीर ती समज आमी गावान रावलेली आसलेली जाल्यार आमकां कळटा आसलें की आमकां कितें जाय आमच्या गांवा खातीर कसली डेवलपमेंट आमच्या गांवान ना कितें कितें आमच्या एमएलएन करपाक जाय आमच्या खातीर तें आमकां सगळें कळटा आसलें that's the way they was telling us.
Okay. Anybody had any experiences on MOI,
Nikki,
dynasty politics?
I got it from one of the students here. They said one of the persons said it seems that they need those options, you know, right to reject, right to reject all, or right to option or whatever. They need those options on the voting machines.
On the voting machines.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you have to say about that?
Anybody wants to share their experiences on that? Okay. Give girls a chance a bit.
Okay, my name is Divya. First day I went Tivim side, that is on Revora, and on third day I went New Vada, this is on Vasco. It was a great opportunity for me to learn how the requirements of the population differs. Whereas in the Tivim side, the people want the better shelter, the good roads, electricity. Whereas in the New Vada Vasco side, they want children parks, ground, education institutions.
What about right to reject?
Right, in the Tivim side, Revora, I asked one lady whether she would vote every 5 years. She said directly, she said no, I don't want to vote. She said that आपण हांगा खूप वर्सां जाली रावता आमी खूप गरीब आसा आपलो घोव म्हणटा ती अनएम्प्लॉयड आसा आपल्यान हाऊस होल्ड काम करून आपल्या भुरग्यांक ग्रॅज्युएट्स केल्या शी हॅज 2 daughters and she made her daughters graduate but they are unemployed. So when I asked her whether you vote, she said no. I said why you are not voting? She said आमकां कोणी अजून हेल्प करूंक ना. हांवें सांगलें there is a provision that right to reject. I explained now what is the right to reject. She said that even there is an option right to reject, I will not vote Sims. I said why? The other candidate will come, no, they will be better. Like she said, दुसरो कोणी यो तिसरो कोणी यो येता ते सगळे फिक्स आसतले कोणी येयलो सैमूच कंडिशन आसतले तेंचे सगळ्यांचे फिक्स आसा कोणी येवं कोणी वचो सगळे सेम आसतले कांयच डिफर जावचें ना तो बटन तो प्रोविजन आसूं ना आसूं everything will be same.
It's the same as having the presidential rule in the state.
Then I asked one more lady, she is 25 years old, she is married and she also graduated but unemployed. She said that she has to left the job because there is no electricity at their places. And we all know how it's difficult for a lady to travel at night. So when I asked her about this right to reject this thing, she said it's okay if there is a right to reject button because it will give others opportunity to prove themselves. And there is a chances that other candidate will be good or will show their good performance. Okay. So some populations are opposite for this, but some are again for this thing provision.
Okay. You have something to share?
It's regarding right to reject only. If I compare what the youth had to say and what the elderly people had to say, like, the youth wanted right to reject, whereas the elderly people said no, we don't want right to reject. Whoever comes, let be final. But the youth were like, yeah, we are never satisfied with who come, and we need people that they want to choose who they want to come be elected. Like, so they said like we want right to reject. Yes, they wanted the right to reject, whereas the elderly people they didn't want right to reject.
Here we have another issue, and Akshay is going to speak on MOI.
Well, on my first day of survey, that is at Rai Bandar, Ribanda also called as, we targeted 2-3 houses, and we asked them about this rising issue of MOI. There were several Hindu families which said that we must give preference to Marathi, and there were several Christian families who said that English must be the main medium of instruction. And coming to youth were preferring at English, and old age people and middle people said that Marathi would be the good option for the medium of instruction.
Okay, we'll
Anybody
stay in the
else on
same
the same
area.
issue? Yeah.
We'll say with Gannon. Gannon was in Panjim. So Gannon, let's hear what the people from Panjim wanted exactly. What were their main grievances? I mean, did they speak anything about dynasty politics, anything about the MOI issue? What was the main concern from the capital city?
In Panjim, there were various views from many people. About the MOI also, there were people who wanted an option for their children. They wanted both, so everyone would be happy. A child going to school would have the option of choosing what they wanted, not just being forced to study in a certain language, maybe a language which they don't like. The option would be actually a more satisfiable solution for this kind of issue.
Okay. Anything about right to reject, right to recall?
Yeah, right to reject also,
especially from the youth, from guys like you and me of this age.
The youth actually, they were very enthusiastic about the right to reject, as they were saying all the candidates currently are all corrupted and they don't care about the people. You only actually see their face when the elections. After elections, they disappear. You don't even know where they are. So they actually wanted the right to reject, but initially you reject one, the next corrupt person will come. But after some time, there would be a point where the corrupt people would be over, and they would actually bring out good people who would actually care about what the people's needs as such. So they wanted the right to reject the youth.
Okay.
But the elderly people and the people who are retired, they said, we are old, we don't care who comes, who goes. It won't matter, soon we're going to die as such. So we don't care about politics.
Okay, okay. Your partner has something to say, at least sitting in your line.
Nobody spoke about one person in Vasco. She told me that government is giving schemes for girl child. What about the boys? आता आमची परिस्थिती दुसऱ्या स्टेटा भाशेन ना. आमी बरी आसा. आमची चेडवां भुरगीं आमी धाडटा तेंकां बरें शिकयता. आमी भायल्या स्टेटा भाशेन तेंकां घरान दवरिना. आतां फुडें कितें जातलें? चेडे झगडटले. चेडे आनी चेडवां मदीं झगडी जातली आनी तेंचें अशें जातलें की चेडवांकूच फॅसिलिटीज आहा आनी चेड्यांक कित्याक फॅसिलिटीज ना. चेडे मागीर आपणाकूय फॅसिलिटीज जाय म्हणून अशें झगडटले. दिस इशू was something different out of the survey.
Good
guys,
point,
I think you should clap for us. We need something coming our way. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. You have something to share with us, Shraddhali, an experience that is very unique, which many people also had it in their survey.
I would like to share experience. There was one question in the survey regarding whom you want to be the next chief minister, and most of the answers that I came across was Manohar Parrikar. Most of the people in Goa want Manohar Parrikar as a chief minister. But there was one more question in the survey which said which party you want to come in power, and in that answer most of the people said Congress. So I asked one or two people you all are saying Manohar Parrikar to be the chief minister and the party to come up was Congress. They were from two different things. But then they were if Manohar Parrikar comes up to Congress, then it can make a strong government. Because they are not saying BJP, they want Manohar Parrikar, that's why the votes come for BJP. But when they say Congress, if you ask the candidates from Congress, they say anyone from Congress would do, but if Manohar Parrikar comes to Congress, then it would make a good thing.
Okay, so Manohar Parrikar as CM.
Manohar Parrikar joins Congress, then people are going to vote for Congress.
Now it's mostly people vote for BJP mostly because of Manohar Parrikar.
Okay.
Okay.